AI that builds your website, then grows it. We give you an unbreakable system. You make the decisions on top. Every piece has its place. Every detail has a purpose. Change one thing, nothing breaks. Meet Relume, the marketing website builder trusted by over 1 million freelancers and agencies. Give it a prompt, a brief notes from a call, whatever you've got. Watch your website take shape, not built on AI guesses, but assembled from a human-made component system. Make it yours. Bring your team in. Collaboration is always free. Hit publish. This is where most stop, but with Relume, your site grows with you. Every site is built on the same system, so we sharpen it once, and every site gets sharper. Yours too. Others give you a chatbot. We give you a team of AI agents, each specializing in one job. They propose, you decide, and look at that, you built that. The AI did the work, you made the calls. Build and grow your next marketing site.